Hi, this is Tim Wilson, and I'm here today with Loren Sherman with Inova. And Loren, in the educational seminars at the ARDA 2009 convention yesterday, they were discussing a big problem, which is older resorts. Maybe they had a smaller footprint that they started out with in the rooms. They're having space problems, and you're an expert in wall beds. And I know a lot of these are now being used in those smaller spaces. Can you kind of elaborate more on maybe the history, the evolution of them, and how your company today is coming into those smaller spaces, or even maybe the larger spaces, but giving people extra room?
Well, the wall bed started 100 years ago, and the way they started was as a way of just basically getting rid of a bed. It just was a way of taking a bed and storing it up in a wall or a closet and getting rid of it, and then you just have a big empty space during the day. Nowadays, it's really evolved into something where it gives you flexibility and a true double use of a space. Any resort that has a limited space from older floor plans, the last thing you want to do is waste that empty space in front of the closed wall bed all day. So what is evolved now are double functioning beds, basically a bed that has a sofa in front of it all day long, or in the case of what we've developed, a bed that has a table, a full-size dining table. So you're really getting double use of the space. It's about double use. One of the ways that these products can be used is if you have a regular bed in the room and also one of these multifunctional products. One night you have a business traveler and they have a nice desk to work at, or a sofa to use, like a mini suite setup. The next night you have a family, you have a classic by folding down this multifunctional product, you have a classic two-bed space for a family to use. So it's really about flexibility. It's about maximizing the space, not just about getting rid of the bed and having an open space.
Okay, well now, all products, and we're talking mostly managers, resorts, properties here, and with all products you always have the hesitancy or the little question in the back of their mind that may make them worry about a product. What big resistance do you see with the wall bed, and what's the positive to that resistance?
Well, unfortunately, part of the resistance is images from old movies of comedies where people are getting folded up in wall beds, and just the general sense that anything with moving parts is scary, in terms of liability and maintenance. But all that has been addressed just by superior engineering nowadays, because you've got wall beds that when you lower it down part of the way and let go, just walk away, it's not going to fall down. It's not going to fold up on anybody, without your wanting it to go up. And so that the safety issue is an important issue. The other thing is the old-fashioned wall bed. You open a closet door and you're looking at a big ugly metal frame, which then you fold down. The aesthetic standards are so much higher now. You don't want a guest to have that experience. So nowadays they're all engineered with nice clean front panels that just fold down, in a very pleasing way.
Okay, I appreciate you today for this information. And your company again?
It's Inova. Now one of the things that we've taken it even further with this double function unit with a wall bed with a sofa in front of it. What's been on the market is the guest or the housekeeper has to remove the seat cushions and remove the back cushions and set them down off to the side where they get dusty or kicked around, whatever. We've engineered it one step further, where you simply lower the bed and the sofa, a totally comfortable sofa, folds down out of the way automatically. It's completely automatic functioning now, so it's even that much simpler for people to use. And these units are now freestanding. So you were asking about a maintenance point of view. You don't have to screw them into the wall or the floor, so that if you have to repair a piece of plumbing in the wall, you just move the whole unit away from the wall. It's much friendlier to a renovation project. It doesn't need blocking in the wall, and that's another plus that I think the owners are demanding.
That's some really good information. Hey, I appreciate you for showing up today and sharing your expertise with us.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.